Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to tell you about the Priority Skills NL, which is an immigration process for the Atlantic province of Newfoundland and Labrador. Why this process could be beneficial for you is because it's completely different from the Express Entry program, so it has much lesser requirements. It doesn't need any Canadian job offer like the other Atlantic provinces in the AIPP. The language test score you need is a really low CLB 5. You need just 1 year of work experience, and there's no application fee involved as well. You can basically apply for your Canadian permanent residency status for you and your whole family completely free of cost. Newfoundland and Labrador form the most easterly province of Canada. It was at one time a major producer of iron and copper ore. However, the province's most important mining area is now situated in western Labrador, which possesses huge reserves of iron ore. In addition to the pulp and paper industry, there are a number of businesses producing various wood products and building and repairing ships and boats. Food and beverage manufacturing also employs a significant number of people. How the Priority Skills NL works is that you have to apply separately to the province by creating an expression of interest or EOI towards Newfoundland and Labrador. You'll basically have to fill a questionnaire while creating your EOI, based on which you'll be scoring points in a point scoring grid. If your score is high enough, you'll be asked to make a complete application to the province and you'll receive a PNP certificate which you can then use to get your Canada PR for you and your whole family. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the Priority Skill NL program, the 35 targeted job titles or NOCs for it, who can apply for this program, all the requirements, the point scoring grid, and the entire application process in detail. So do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free and I answer all your queries in the comments section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. So let me first tell you who this program is for. The Priority Skills NL process is mainly for two sets of individuals. The first set is individuals who have experience in 35 occupations that are in demand in Newfoundland and Labrador. The work experience must be for at least 1 full year in the last 10 years. These occupations are from the healthcare, tech, IT and agricultural sectors. I'll give you a complete list of these occupations from each sector later in the video. The second set of individuals are students who've completed their PhD or master's degrees from Memorial University in Newfoundland and Labrador. These courses must have been completed within the past 3 years and they must be the ones specializing in IT, technology, healthcare, aquaculture and agriculture. Now we come to the requirements or the eligibility criteria for this program. You must have taken an English test, either IELTS or CELPIP, within the last 12 months and scored at least CLB 5 or higher. Kindly note that even though your language test is normally valid for 2 years, you must have taken the test for this program not more than a year before applying. You must be at least 21 years of age. You must intend to live permanently in Newfoundland and Labrador. This can be done by signing an undertaking document with the province. Now remember that even if you receive your PR because of your PNP, there are still a few conditions under which you can move to another province from the province that has given you your PNP nomination certificate. I've explained these conditions in another detailed video which I'll be linking in the description box below. If you're applying as an in-demand academics candidate, you must have completed your PhD or master's degree from Memorial University in Newfoundland and Labrador within the past 3 years, specializing in IT, technology, healthcare, aquaculture and agriculture. If you're applying as an in-demand work candidate, you must have worked in any one of the 35 targeted in-demand occupations in the province for at least 1 full year in the last 10 years. I'll give you the complete list of these occupations from each sector later in the video. The application process for the Priority Skills NL program is an easy 3-step process. The first step is to complete an expression of interest or an EOI, which involves completing a questionnaire on the province's website. The EOI creation process will also let you know if you meet the minimum eligibility requirements to potentially receive an invitation through this program. The questionnaire will ask you about 5 topics: your English and French language ability, age, education, work experience, and whether you have any family members settled in Newfoundland and Labrador. Based on your answers, you'll be given an assessment score. The scoring grade for the in-demand work category is as follows. The scoring grade for the in-demand academic category is as follows. If you meet the minimum requirements and score high enough on the questionnaire, you'll be asked to submit 3 supporting documents to support your expression of interest. While the final decision to extend invitations rests with the Office of Immigration and Multiculturalism or OIM, your questionnaire score, language ability, education, and work experience along with your 3 supporting documents will be viewable by potential employers that have accounts with the OIM. These documents are essential to make sure that these employers from the province can contact you if needed and even offer you a job if they find you to be a good fit in their companies. The documents you'll be asked to submit would include your CIC format resume, education or work credentials or certificates, and your cover letter. If your profile is selected, you'll receive an invitation to apply to Newfoundland and Labrador through its provincial nominee program. Your invitation will be sent to the same email address that you used to register your expression of interest. This invitation will enable you to submit an immigration application through the province's online portal. If you meet eligibility criteria for either the skilled worker or express entry skilled worker category, the province will issue you a provincial nomination certificate, which you can then include in your application for permanent residency. You can include your family members like your spouse and children as well in your PR application, and all of you can receive your Canada PR and fly to Newfoundland and Labrador together. The amount of time it takes the federal government to process your application for permanent residency varies depending on the category that you apply through. The skilled worker pathway takes approximately 18 months, while the express entry pathway takes approximately 6 months to process. Throughout the whole process, while waiting for your permanent residency, you'll receive dedicated support from the OIM staff and access to specialized services such as letters of support for work permit requests. As promised, here's the list of the 35 in-demand occupations for the Priority Skills NL process. Kindly note, this list of in-demand occupations is not exhaustive and it will be revised on a regular basis, so you'll have to keep checking on their website to see the most recent information on in-demand occupations in Newfoundland and Labrador at the time that you wish to apply. Alright guys, so that was how you could get your PR through the Priority Skills NL without a job offer. For more immigration and travel tips, subscribe to this channel now. Do like this video if you like the content and comment what topic you would like to hear about next. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for regular updates on immigration and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. I wish you the best of luck for your application and hope you have a great day.